Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove number from Snapchat. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Once it will be opened, then on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon. And then tap on this gear icon to go to settings. Now here are my mobile number. For removing number from Snapchat, you need to add or verify another mobile number. Only one way to remove number from Snapchat is first log out from this account, and then create and log in to a new account, and verified that account with this number. When you verified successfully, now log out from this account and go back and log in to first account. And as you can see, my mobile number was successfully removed from my This Snapchat account. So, it was the simple way in which you can remove your number from Snapchat. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.